Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar, a great song here from Shaboozey, a bar song. So don't sleep on this one. If you love guitar, this is a perfect guitar song to start up your music career with. You have easy chords and it's pretty easy strumming patterns as well. It goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that. So let's start with this one. It's easy chords if you use a capo here set on the second fret. That's the best scenario for us. So capo on second. Let's go over the chords. So we're gonna play E minor first. All right, so we start easy here with open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the G next, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. Then we have the C G chord, that is basically a C, but with this G note in the bass. All right, so that will be third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is the D F chord. That is a D basically, but with an F sharp in the bass. All right, so that is second on E, open A, open D, second G, third B, and third E. And the last there in the bottom, you come from the G chord, you just keep that, and then you go over to this D F. So just keep the last two strings there, the fingers, and go to the D F chord. So it's actually a very easy transition there. Okay, so talking about the transitions, we have the chord progression that goes E minor, then G, then C G, then back to G, and then the D F. All right, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern here, and we have two different parts of it. So we're gonna look at the strumming here as it is one full round with E minor, since that is the first chord. So it sounds like this. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up. So the first two downs, you play on the bass string, the first down, and then you go down, play the higher notes on the second down. So that is the first part, the bass top. That's the first part, because we need to split it later. And then the second part is up, down, up. And I typically play that on the top notes or top mid area. All right. So together it's down, down, then up, down, up. All right, so we're ready for the song here. And you're gonna play E minor one full round, then G one full round, then the C, G one full round. And now comes the last two chords with the split here. You're gonna play part one on the G, and then part one on the D F. So just the down, down on G, and then on D F, the down, down. If you want, you can also add in the down, down, up, okay? But then you have to play it fast, so it will be down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? So it's up to you, but if you just follow this strumming pattern here, you go with the last two chords, G part one, and down, down, and then D F, down, down. Okay? So, together it sounds like this. Alright guys, so I played 4 rounds for you, 2 rounds with just the part 1 down, down, the last 2 chords, and the last 2 rounds I played with down, down, up on the last 2 chords, so you can hear the difference. It's up to you, and you go by feel there, no problems. And that pretty much covers Shaboozey's bar song, so don't sleep on this one. Like I said, a perfect guitar song to play and perhaps sing to if you wish. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.